Established in 2012, Chandigarh University features two campuses, one in Chandigarh and another in Lucknow. Today we will focus on the Chandigarh campus that has received an overall rating as well as BCA specific rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's explore the BCA program offered here, starting with placements rated 4.1. Students have reported securing jobs at top companies such as Accenture, Wipro, Google, Deloitte, Tommy Hilfiger, TCS, among others, with roles including data analyst, software engineer, software developer, Python developer, full stack developer, and programmer. For the academic session 2023-24, the highest international package was 1.7 crores, while the highest domestic package reached 54.75 lakh per annum. Notably, BCA graduates reported the highest package of 30 lakh per annum. As per the NIRF 2024 report, the median salary offered is 3.2 lakh per annum, an increase of 30% from 2021. In comparison, the median packages at Lovely Professional University and Chitkara University are more favorable. Internships are available with companies like Infineon, Goldman Sachs, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, and ShopDeck, offering stipends of 30,000 per month. Additionally, students can undertake paid short-term summer programs and internships at prestigious institutions in the USA, Canada, and the UK, including Harvard, Stanford, York University, Berkeley, and Birmingham. Talking about academics, the 4-year BCA program offers 4 specializations, including an honors program. Students can also pursue a BCA international transfer program at Deakin University in Australia, providing valuable exposure. Admission requires 50% in 10+2 along with CUCET scores. The total program cost ranges from 5.85 to 6.05 lakhs depending on specialization. Hostel fees for the same period varies from 4.27 to 8.4 lakhs based on room type and amenities. Scholarships are available as fee waivers based on CUET scores, merit, and sports achievements, with renewal contingent on maintaining a minimum 7.5 CGPA. Moving on now to infrastructure rated 4.4 stars. The Chandigarh campus spans 250 acres along the National Highway 5, Chandigarh-Ludhiana Highway, and is well connected by bus, air, and rail. The Wi-Fi enabled campus features spacious ICT-driven classrooms, a well-stocked library, auditoriums, and high-tech lab including Google Android and cloud computing labs. There are separate hostels for boys and girls that are available with various sharing options, and students appreciate the quality of mess food. The campus also boasts extensive sports facilities including a gymnasium, health center, and recreational areas for various activities such as football, basketball, and weightlifting. Next, let's take a look at the faculty and course with a rating of 4 stars. Most faculty members hold PhDs and are well regarded for their teaching quality. To sit for exams, students must maintain 75% attendance and a passing grade of 4 CGPA. The curriculum includes enriching international semester exchanges with over 500 partner institutions. Additionally, the university offers extensive opportunities for research and entrepreneurship through the University Center for Research and Development, focusing on areas like green marketing, stock management, genetics, drug studies, and additive manufacturing. Shifting focus to campus life, which has received a rating of 4.3 stars. Students can engage in a vibrant environment with 11 student-run clubs, cultural events, and workshops. Notable clubs include the Gravity Dance Club and Rangmanch Drama Club, as well as CU Rhythms International Folklore Festival. Students also benefit from the strong alumni network, providing valuable connections. Wrapping up with rankings, where Chandigarh University currently holds the 20th rank in the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on Chandigarh University, Punjab, and to explore thousands of course and college reviews, download the Shiksha app. We did love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.